I came to Utah for a bucket list photo, but when I finally stood in front of this arch, I realized the photo was never really the point. It was answering the call to finally go. Today's topic is going to be about tackling your bucket list items. We are here at the trailhead about to walk in. It took us about 18 hours to get to this national park. If we can do 18 hours, you can do 2-3 hours to your nearest park. So let's go ahead, have some fun, take some pictures, and enjoy the views. All right, we are here at Devil's Garden Trailhead. And the trail that we are doing today is Landscape Arch. Some crazy arches going on. I've never been out in Utah. Super excited to be here. Excited to take y'all on this photography trip. Hopefully we get some cool photos on the way. And we're just gonna talk about kind of the drive to go out and do things. The drive to, drive 18 miles to a place you've never been before to experience it. I'll be honest, I almost talked myself out of it. I had no idea if driving 18 hours to get here was worth it. All right, so we're about a quarter mile into this hike and talking about crossing off bucket list items. Everyone has in their mind that they're gonna visit all the national parks in America, right? It's a big deal. You have to travel across the entire country to be able to do that. It's a very daunting task, but here's the thing. Everyone thinks about Z, A through Z, everyone thinks about Z, but no one ever thinks about B through Y. Just do it one at a time. Even if it means visiting your local ones. In Washington, there's 3. We got Mount Rainier, beautiful mountain by the way. We got North Cascades, and we got Olympic National Park. Whether you live in California, Nevada, anywhere Pacific Northwest, or even the East Coast, there is a national park near you. Do it one step at a time, visit one at a time, and you'll get there eventually. But the moment that stopped me completely, I wasn't even hiking toward it. Here's what I didn't expect. About a mile in, the trail felt ordinary. Dusty, crowded, exactly like every trail I've been on before. And for a second, I thought, did I hype this up in my own head? That happens. You build a place up for so long, the first impression never matches the expectation. But I kept walking. Because here's the thing I've learned after a few years of doing this. The shot you came for is almost never the shot you leave with. The real one, it usually finds you. Somewhere between mile 1 and mile 2, the trail started to open up. I noticed people around me stop talking. Not slowing down, just stopping. And then I looked up. Seeing things like that just continues to inspire me to see more and more nature. It's crazy what America has in store for us, especially traveling out so far, 18 hours to get here, to see wonders just like that. It's a beautiful moment for sure. All right, so we have made it to Landscape Arch. We're gonna keep trucking because we got the energy and the time for it. So we're gonna keep walking forward and hopefully capture some more beautiful shots as we go. Not sure how I'm gonna enjoy this, considering that we're walking through sand to get there. We're gonna keep on trucking down, see what else there is in store. All right, so we have made it to the official viewpoint of the Landscape Arch. That is totally worth the drive. You'll never see anything like this in the Pacific Northwest, I swear. This goes to show that, life is temporary. You don't get many opportunities to go out and see sites like this, so might as well do it with the one life that you have. I always try to push for adventure. It's really easy to be comfortable and to stay home and just to, live the lives through the screen of others. But there's something about coming up here and to witness it yourself. I think that's so important, especially for you guys. I hope this is an inspiration for y'all to come out to your local nature. Never been out here in this country, but everything looks different out here. It does not feel the same as Washington, and I'm so glad for this experience. It is so beneficial for the soul for you to go and see other things that aren't available to you. That's why traveling through America is really great, because there's just so much land, so much different kinds of nature, so many different regions you can explore, and so much to see. I urge you to go out and explore, man. It's a great world out here. He doesn't know what to do.
I didn't get a clean shot of him, but it doesn't matter. I came to the arches to photograph an arch. I got that. But I left with something I wasn't looking for. A reminder of what it actually feels like to be somewhere new. Not scrolling through someone else's version of it, but actually being there. So here's what I'll leave you with. Not a prescription, just a question. When was the last time you went somewhere without knowing what you'd find? No itinerary, no shot list, no expectations, just went there. Whatever answer comes up, it might be worth listening to. I'm Edward. Thanks for coming to the Arches with me. I'll see you in the next one.